Okay, so if your doctor has recommended you to get yourself a nebulizer, maybe it's because of asthma, COPD because of smoking, or even any other lung disease that you may currently have and trying to overcome, then the RH21 from Beurer may be something for you to consider. So in today's video, we're going to unbox the RH21, find out what features the device itself has, and also what items are included inside of the packaging so that you can find out if this is going to be a suitable product for you. So having a look at some of the features that are noted on the outside of the box, and we can see that your RH21 is going to work with compressed air technology. It's also got a nebulization performance of around 0.3 milliliters per minute. So just make sure that that aligns with the recommendation that your doctor has given you for what nebulization performance you are going to need. It's also got a bunch of accessories that do come included inside here. The accessories being your mouthpiece, your nose piece, adult mask, and a child's mask with a strap included, the atomizer, 10 filters, and the hose that will connect your mask to your nebulizer. In here, we can also see that you have the ability to nebulize liquid medication, which will definitely come in handy depending on what your doctor has prescribed to you. You've also got a particle size of around 3.07 microns with a very high proportion of respirable particles. So good thing to keep in mind. With this, you've also got a storage compartment built in on the front of the device, which we will see as soon as we open this up. And inside of that, you can keep your different accessories and also your power cables. The RH21 also comes with a 5-year guarantee. So if you have any manufacturing defects with these, within those 5 years of you having it, come back to us, let us know, and we'll be able to help you out from there. Let's open it up and find out what is included inside of the packaging. Now that we have everything open, we can take a look at it. So firstly, you're going to get your instruction manual. Very important for you to read through the first time you get your device. It'll teach you exactly how to set up your device, how to clean and maintain the device, and the full functionality of all of the components that come along with it and the device itself. Having a look at some of the accessories that come included in here, and you can see that you have your children's mask. You've got your adult face mask, and these face masks are going to be a silicone build with an elasticated headband and a wire nose bridge on the top of it. Next, we can see that we have our compressed air tubing, and these have two connectors. This connector will go into your nebulizer, and this connector is going to go into your atomizer. Right here, we can find that we've got the atomizer, and this breaks up into two portions. Your upper portion and your lower portion. Now your lower portion is actually going to be the area where you'll be able to insert your liquid medication into, and you've also got some graduations right there in milliliters, from 2 milliliters up to 8 milliliters, that you'll be able to measure on and use when you are including your medication into this. Having a look at some of the extra accessories, and we can see that it comes with a mouthpiece and also a nose piece that has a rubber guard on it, which will make it a bit easier for you to clean when you need to. You've also got a few additional air filters right here, so 9 air filters that come as a replacement, and 1 is already built inside of it. Having a look at the device itself, and we can see that you are going to get your standard South African 2-pin plug to power up this device. On the back end of it, you're going to get a small opening right there, and there you will be able to tuck in your cables and your plug in too. So we can see that you have your lid on the top. You just open up your lid, you have your storage compartment underneath. You've also got your off and on switch and a cap for your air filter with a single air filter already built inside of it. You've also got your output for your compressed air right there, and that will be where you attach this side of the connector right into. On the front side of it, you've also got a handy opening right here, which you can run the tubing through even when you do have the lid closed, and I'll show you how that works in a moment. You've got your handle in the front, and you've also got a holder for your atomizer itself if you are between therapy sessions. So having a look at the setup of this, and I'm going to give you a quick breakdown of the setup. Firstly, you've got your atomizer. You can go ahead and open up your atomizer and fill up any of the liquid medication that you need to fill inside here. Close that up and keep it aside for now. Next, we can focus on the tubing. So you'll be able to insert this side of the tubing connector into the output of the compressed air, and you'll be able to run it through the opening that we have right there. Close the lid up again, plug this side into the underside of your atomizer itself, and then you'll be able to choose from one of the attachments to attach onto the atomizer. So we can go ahead with the mouthpiece and plug that up. The last step from there will just be for you to plug in the 2-pin cable and press start. And that will be the setup and unboxing of the IH21 from Beurer. If you think I've missed out any information in this video, then please share that in the comment section so that we can get back to you directly. Alternatively, to shop or to find out more, you can head over to our website omninela.co.za. If you did enjoy watching this video and would like to hear more from me, then please leave us a like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'm Nicholas from Omninela Medical, reminding you to live limitless.